Good morning, everybody. Thanks for the time given to me. My name is Faustina Anggerta Sao dari Prodi PG PAUD semester 6. One skill or skills to open on first. Direction, opening a lesson as an intro activity. Intent to question learners so that they are back psychical and psychically motivated and prepared for learning activities. Refreshing comparison in activity of their learning success, their conclusion of relation. First, building and learning activity. Proud, proud test activities. Also, to have a full learning experience according to the learning planning. Thus, coursing on planning as a third part or learning made to make your compass to profit summary. Question to profit material for. Depending and to win their fourth set of pains to question of skill. Asking is one on the activities that is always present in this combination. Plus, giving answer stimulus in a question. Sentence that requires answer. The question ensure determining it can be definition of the question. In the learning of question can surface to increase the activity of learners. Water of breath, the thought process. 3. Skill in explaining. Explaining is okay skill mathematician. A learning action expert from remonstrate. Relation material is drawn back by abstract multimeter of the conjugate effect convex operation and quick pace. Explaining object mathematica in study. In school return to the presence of relation material. These animation materials can be different of and over audition. Learning materials its efficient is systematic spelling. 4. Skill for fashion. Different in learning is the bird skin. For activity teacher, Michelle the Inter. To else meaning the Alice Brunner. The infertile. Motive for learning. Their format on their learning styles of Linux from mostly form different. Fireplace sport it can be smart paid. Person is running in full inquiry. The part of style of teaching among other days is fancying voice action and memes, false moment and often make a fire. Amount of serious giving feature on teach. The average of mean of media as unlearning. Materials among others days is the virtue of the tools and materials that can be seen harmful and manifold. Music 5. Stream basic skills. Parent common is the teacher's response to learning behavior that happened into education. There needs to be more focus in learning in interpretation verbal request is the teacher activity to learners activities of words, notings, requiring importing in learning words or comment are placed in place. Shares as will. I am studies with your answers to yourself, email friend, can make them smart of counterfeits and driven to activity role in learning. Classroom management skill. This skill requires the teacher speak to virtual education, officialment, and everything learning activities. Teacher must before be off of the school to reach of learners, mastering material and learning, string case, mastered in education, domination by, appreciation by attention of individual, groups, and others, give best introductions seperti give reference for the teacher to measure buku sky for management of the running activities probing are able to think and break there before they cause problems. Skills builds micro dissociation to maximal image of this is, among other days wrong in discuss and not the following pinwheel of the problem systematic question they are of group member are going to be able during the discussion the teacher saw watch carefully for instruments with the group control group activities if they are sets of the question for the point of discussion in the group. Given as question again to the group. Consensus exclusion discussion. If a line of sight, if they saw that group does not come to exclude the teacher should post themselves and they play self give learning to the question of the mother discussion by reading the best eyes of the group. A teaching skill of small groups and Hindu individuals, teaching activities of smart group and individuals gathering a goal. If addition perform student, firstly, small group teaching skill are there. Teacher ability to set problems, activity in learning group with this. Girls stand for group, while we use skill in individual teaching or individual teaching is a teacher. Ability in learning by observing in them correct requirements or if individual because of learners. Thank you.